In this video, I am going to explain different inventory control methods. First of all, an inventory control has many factors as monetary, physical, safety, and many others. It is crucial to understand these aspects in designing inventory control system. An effective inventory control system aims at providing stock as when the need arises. Stock should be procured at the minimum possible price. In inventory control, the ordering cost should be optimum, carrying cost should be optimum. Why we do not order in one go, why we do not order as when required. We have limited fund and limited capacity, lead time analysis, trade off between stock out and overstock. Some of the techniques adopted by the entrepreneur for controlling the inventory is that stock out, overstock. In stock out, there is two costs associated with financial cost and non-financial cost. Overstock, carrying cost, financial cost or damage. Next one, ABC analysis. One of the most important techniques adopted by entrepreneur to control the inventory is that ABC. It means always better control analysis. This analysis helps in better inventory control. It is based on the Pareto principle. In ABC analysis, a company reviews its inventory and sorts all SKUs in three categories called A, B, C items. We need a variety of raw material. Each item has its own significance and its value. It is based on the value of categories A, B, C. Example, jewelry shop selling expensive diamonds. Items less in quantity, but ABC is all about how much quantity we need to each raw material. In ABC analysis, the stock can be classified into three: category A, category B, category C. Category A, high value inventory items. Category B, moderate value of inventory items. Category C, low value inventory items. For example, in the jewelry shops, 50 lakh 6 units A is necessary, dresses 7 lakh 40 dresses in B, beauty care 80k 15 250 items in C. It is an example of ABC analysis. It is a pictorial representation. X is total value, number of articles A and B. ABC analysis. Item A, B, 50% of quantity, 30% of quantity, 70% of value consumption or demand, 25% of consumption. Item C, 55% of quantity, 0.5 value consumption or demand. Always better control analysis. We can identify in a graphical representation. A. Items high consumption value. B. Items moderate consumption value. C. Items low consumption value. First one, A. Very strict consumption control. No very low safety stock. Paced delivery. Weekly control report. Maximum follow up. As many sources as possible. Accurate forecast. Central purchasing or storage. Maximum effort to control to be handled by senior officers. In the case of B, moderate control, low safety stock once in 3 months, monthly control report, periodical follow up, 2 or more reliable, estimates on past data, combination of purchasing, moderate, middle level. C, loose control, high safety stock once in 6 months, quarterly report, exceptional too reliable, rough estimate, decentralized, minimum clerical effort can be delegated. Next, another analysis is that EOQ or economic ordering quantity analysis. It is the quantity which is most economical to the order. It is a quantity for which order should be placed. When the stock reaches reorder level, therefore it is also referred as reorder quantity. In economic order quantity, we can consider the following factors. First one, ordering cost. These costs refer the cost incurred for acquiring stock. These costs include the cost of placing an order, cost of transportation, cost of receiving goods, cost of inspecting goods. Second one, carrying cost. The, the cost incurred in maintaining a given level of inventory. These costs include cost of storage space, cost of handling material, cost of insurance, cost of deterioration or obsolescence, cost of store staff, interest on fund invested in purchasing stock. Next one, EOQ analysis assumption. Prior, prior knowledge of annual usage of inventory, constant rate of usage, constant ordering cost, constant carrying cost, zero lead time or delivery period. Next, we discussing EOQ calculation. D is equal to annual demand of an item. P is equal to cost of placing and receiving on order, does not include purchase price. C inventory carrying cost per unit. This may be derived by multiplying the unit price of the item by carrying cost expressed as percentage of the unit price. Yes, safety stock level of item. Q is equal to economic ordering quantity. The formula is Q is equal to root of 2PD divided by C. P is equal to cost of placing order. D is equal to annual demand of an item. C is equal to inventory carrying cost per unit. For example, annual quantity of a jeans sold by the shop is 1200 and the rate of 100 per month. Cost of placing order receiving goods is 500 per order. Inventory holding cost 30 per annum. What is an economic ordering quantity? Here D is equal to 1200, P is equal to 500, C is equal to 30. So 2PD, 2 into P is equal to 500 into D 1200. So we can get 12 lakh as 2 into PD, 2PD. This is divided by 30. 12 lakh divided by 30 is equal to 40,000. Square root of which is 200. So economic ordering quantity is equal to 200 jeans. Another example, the bookshop sells the pens of 1000 quantity per year. The demand is uniform. Purchase cost is 6 of pen. Holding cost per unit 20% of purchase cost. Ordering cost is 500 per order. What should be the economic ordering quantity? Here D is equal to 30,000, P is equal to 500, C is equal to 12% of 6, that is 1.2. So 2 into PD is equal to 30 lakh. This is divided by 1.2, that is 2 lakh 25 lakhs. Square root of which is 5,000. The economic ordering quantity is 500 pence. Next one, another examples of computation of working capital. Working capital refers to the part of current assets. It is calculated there for operating cycles. As you know, calculation of working capital, there are two types of working capital: gross working capital and net working capital. Gross working capital is how much amount is to be invested in current assets. Another one, net working capital, that is calculation of net working capital is current assets minus current liability. Another example, current assets Current assets of a firm are cash 500, debtors 7,000, 70,000, inventory 1,500, current liability, bills payable, creditors. Per week, number of next one, calculating operating cycle of Vijay Enterprise. If the working capital requirement as the per is 1,200, production is 1 week. Another 2 or 3 examples are there. These example you can work in your home.